Hello and welcome to the new video. In today's video I will show you how to safely disassemble your GTX 1060 graphics card, change thermal paste and thermal pads and assemble it again. I hope that after this video you will have your graphics card up and running like it was new. Roll out the intro. Okay, first you want to unscrew these 6 screws. Okay, now when you unscrew these 6 screws, you want to be very careful. Do not rip off the cables when you are separating PCB from the heatsink. Do that easily. You see one cable and from the other side 2 cables. Okay, now you can use some tweezers and remove the cables from LED light and from the fans. Now remove screws from PCB board to release the back plate. Okay, now as you can see on the video, we have to remove 2 screws from one and 2 screws from other side to remove plastic from the heatsink. Okay, and now we are going to perform some cleaning on the PCB board or on the GPU itself. And now I will use a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. And as you can see, good as new. Now we are going to clean heatsink to remove old thermal paste, to remove old thermal pads, As you can see, the thermal paste is rock solid. This is why you should change thermal paste on your GPU after some time. Okay, now we are going to remove dust from the fans and from this plastic part that I don't know, how do you call it, top cover of the GPU. Again, a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, it removes dirt. Just be very careful It can sometimes leave some white marks. Now the back plate, and of course isopropyl alcohol. I use it a lot. Now I will place back these thermal pads on the back plate, but I will turn it other side. Now screw in PCB board or GPU board to your back plate. And now we are cutting off thermal pads 1 mm thick for the VRAM chips. Arctic MX4 thermal paste for the GPU. Be sure to place right amount on your GPU. My colleague like to say a perfect amount of thermal paste. Now you want to put together this heatsink and this top cover of the GPU, this plastic part. God damn. Now place like this PCB board and heatsink and connect fan and LED lights. Of course, keep it separated. Do not ruin your thermal paste. Do it just like me. Now center the screw holes. Put PCB over the heatsink. Take your screws and screw them in. And this is it. We successfully repaired this Gigabyte GTX 1060 graphics card. I hope you repaired your graphics card too. If you have any question in regards to this video or any other question that I could help you with, you can contact me on my Instagram account. You will find the link down there in the description. And after testing, this graphics card was around 76 degrees after 30 minutes in Formark. I forgot to record it, but yeah. Thank you for watching this video, and until the next video, goodbye.